If you're in a home-based business or you promote some kind of business opportunity that you're excited about, or you sell some kind of product you're passionate about, or you're a coach or a consultant, it doesn't matter. You need to know how to use a marketing system to generate leads, generate cash flow, and you need to understand how to build wealth if you ever want to get out from behind your computer and still do well. We're going to be talking about the now money principle. That is how to match a hungry audience, and they do need to be hungry, with an offer that sells right away, immediately, an immediate purchase. Even if that's not a product that you are excited about, as long as it provides value and it meets a need, it brings in money for you so you can build your list for free, so you can advertise for free, or if you're doing free methods of marketing, so you can put money in your pocket and help your business's bottom line and then sell whatever it is you're passionate about selling. You've got to do this. Whether you realize it or not, this is what everyone who's successful online is doing as coaches, consultants, people building a network marketing opportunity, people selling a book. This is it. This is everything. Now, you also need to understand the money compounding principle, or you'll never get back from behind your computer and be able to maintain your lifestyle. You'll have to keep marketing forever. So as the cash flow comes in, you're going to want to learn how to get that money working for you. Now, we can't give you the advice of going out and investing or trading, but we can help you understand the principle. So when we show you these numbers, like if you go inside, we're going to show you how compounding can turn $500 into $177,000, or even into over $1 million at 8.5% compounding return. Look, you don't have to do this, but it's a principle you should pay attention to if you ever want to get out from behind your computer. Get your money working for you is all we're saying. Okay, so then there's marketing systems for cash flow, which is really part of the now money principle, but so much more. And you've probably seen some of this or even maybe tried to apply it, but if it's not working, it's because you're not getting the cash flow piece, the now money piece. But of course, you got a lead capture page where you capture people's leads. Then you should send them right to a sales page to get the now money going. But the auto emails start going out, and that can give you ongoing income streams, ongoing cash flow, taking them to your offer, your opportunity, and lots of other products. Then there's the leveraged income principle. Not something you have to do, but you should seriously consider it. J. Paul Getty, at one time the richest man in the world, said, I'd rather have 1% of the effort of 100 people than 100% of my own effort. What's he talking about? He's talking about leveraging the efforts of other people so you can finally make money while you sleep, make money while you're on vacation. Look, Marie Forleo, Brendan Burchard, Tai Lopez, you name it. Anyone that you know online that's been successful does this. So you better figure out how to incorporate it. We're going to talk about that as well. Here's what that might look like. We go back, you got the now money. So you're making money right away as you're advertising. So you're putting money in your pocket. You're getting paid to build your list so you can then promote your other offers to them. But then you've got a residual income component, that leveraged income I'm talking about. So you can eventually have walk-away income or be a little bit more free with your time. Again, Marie Forleo, Brendan Burchard, Tai Lopez, Mike Diller, you name it, they all do it. And then you've got continuous opportunities to make money selling other people's products, doing JVs. You can continue to make money from your list over and over and over again, and you absolutely should. Now you can afford to successfully sell what you're passionate about. If I'm assuming you have something. If you don't, you can just have this be your business. Then there's the compounding revenue principle. This is one of the ways that a lot of the people that I named gain a lot of leverage. This is where you have an affiliate network, other people selling your products or even selling other people's products you have the rights to, and you get a commission. So now you're vacationing, you're sleeping, whatever. You've got free time, you've got more money coming in. This is the compounding revenue principle. We call it compounding revenue because it exponentially grows as the number of affiliates you have grow. And again, I named some people. Whoever you see online who's mega successful is employing this, but very few people are showing you how. We're going to show you how to do all of this. Enter your email to see how the Profit Platform lead generation and sales conversion system lets you leverage our marketing expertise and use our systems to increase your lead and sales conversions to get leads, cash flow, and sales for your bottom line. It's absolutely imperative that you focus on these fundamentals and get a system like this up and running that you create, or use one that's already created with these things that I just went over specifically in mind. Enter your name and email, and I'll see you on the next page. On some of the pages, you may just enter your email. Come on in and look how we can help you accomplish everything that I just reviewed.